Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what we're going to do on this episode is go over the Tangem mobile app updates. So, specifically, we're going to get into 5.25 all the way to 5.28. So, if you guys want, I will have this in the description below. You guys can check out all the updates, and when more come out, you can check it out as well. So a very nice visual that we have here. So we're going to play around with that throughout this video, and we'll get into Twitter for a little bit. So guys, comment down below, what is your favorite app update? Before we get into it, if you guys have not ordered a Tangem yet, it's one of my favorite wallets. So guys, use the link tree. It's pinned in every video. So in the comment section below, you will see Linktree, hopefully with the little fire emoji. And you guys can pick up a 2-card, 3-card, or even a Tangem ring. On top of that, we have tons of videos right here on the channel that you guys can check out as well. Okay, so a lot going on with this channel and more. So guys, let's dive into app update 5.25. So this wallet is fantastic, right? It's smart, it is sexy, it's simple to use, and it just gets better and better and better. And the reason being is because they do all these updates. So Tangem has been listening. So in iOS and Android 5.25, so if you guys are an Android or Apple and Android user, you guys can use this wallet, right? So with this, the big one is going to be the NFT support. So you can view your NFTs stored on supported blockchains, and they support a ton of tokens, right? You can see the metadata, artwork. This is a big deal, okay? So push notifications, web link handling, so deep linking to web pages. For example, when you tap notifications about security or token listings, it opens in relevant page. So it's becoming more user friendly, and it's just expanding. So they've been doing a good job, guys, with the UI, the user interface. I like that. So tag reminder, stellar. I would say here with these updates, the big one is the NFTs. Just having that, it's really nice, right? So getting into 5.26. So let's take a look here. Push stuck transactions. The big one here I thought was just the technical instability updates, right? So code updates for Solana, Stellar, Cardano. So this is going to be big, especially for down the road, right? And we'll talk about it a little bit later when it comes to staking. But a lot of this is really security. So get in your app and update your wallet. Do that as fast as you guys can. That's really going to help you out a lot, especially down the road. So if you want tutorials on this, head over to the channel. I have tons of videos on how to set up this wallet and how to do things like that as well. So 5.27, this one got me a little bit excited when it came out. The big one here is WalletConnect. So if you guys are using Tangem and you want to get into DeFi, if you want to connect your wallet to DeFi applications so you can get into staking, maybe claim rewards. What I like a lot, and this is really cool, so they have a scam protection, right? So we're pleased to announce the release of version 5.27. This app introduces significant functional improvement, UX refinements, and back-end enhancements to further secure and streamline your experience. So enhanced WalletConnect, this is big. So WalletConnect allows you to connect your wallet to different dApps, right? So transaction simulation and verification. I love this. So you can preview what your transaction will do before you sign it. So it has a scam detection with Blockaid. So automatically vets dApps, flags suspicious domains, and alerts you before you connect. So if you guys are afraid of a potential wallet drain, so a lot of times what scammers will do is they'll host a fake website. You'll connect your wallet, and if you sign, right, if you sign NFC, put in your PIN or password, then somebody could drain your wallet. So this is good. This is the future of crypto. You want this, okay? So this is a monumental thing, really. I don't know if any wallets are doing it quite at this level. So bravo to the Tangem team. So expanded token support, XLM network, store, send, receive, stellar base, XRP network, manage tokens on the XRP ledger. This is great. So guys, update that in your Play Store or in the App Store, okay? The other big one. This is the most recent, okay? So 5.28, and we're gonna have to go with, oh, okay, so this is a big one. Let's just read the headline here. So where is this part? So ENS address. Okay, so record. So ton staking. This is big. I was going to save it a little bit for the end, but whatever. So ton staking, as you guys know, Ton is a big blockchain, big token project. You guys, this is Telegram's project, right? So with the Telegram app, you guys can now stake with Ton. So we'll share that with you in a minute. Send via swap. So the smarter way to send crypto, I like this. So you can send in the token your recipient wants, even if you don't have it. So let's say you want to send somebody some Ethereum, but you don't have it. You can swap your Solana for Ethereum and it sends to a specific address. So like ETH, only if you don't realize. So with send via swap, Tangem makes this problem disappear. So avoid hassle-free of moving assets across multiple apps and exchanges. So it allows you to send via swaps, which is interesting. I don't know if I care about that as much, but it's definitely really cool. So Hyper EVM, Hyperliquid, I don't know a lot about this project, but the Ethereum virtual machine EVM layer integrated into Hyperliquid's L1 is now in Tangem Wallet. So this means you can now securely manage Hype in paper cold storage, send, receive. So it now supports Hyperliquid. I think 5.27, this is a big deal. I like this and I want to see more of that. It's all about security, right? The reason you're picking up one of these wallets, and again, guys, use code Moose, pick up one of these wallets, protect your crypto, man. So Tangem, and also Tangem is now available on Walmart, which we'll maybe go over at the end, which I like as well. So native staking right inside your Tangem app, so available on Solana. So you guys can now stake with your Tangem wallet, Solana, BNB, Tron, Polygon, Atom, Cosmos, and Ton. So really cool. So there will be more down the road, but I think that is just a big deal right there. So let's get into the Walmart thing as well. I might as well share that with you. There you go. So Anna did a video there as well. So I believe this is on walmart.com. So even the US logo, I checked it out in Canada. But guys, Walmart and Tangem, big deal. So get Tangem now at Walmart. I mean, you guys should order from the Moose, use the link tree, but this is freaking awesome. So that's why I wanted to do a Tangem update for you guys. Just spread the word. This wallet, man, everything from the hardware side of things, now getting into the software, it's just expanding. It's getting better. They are clearly listening. These people understand crypto. They understand what it's like to invest and to want simplicity with the market. So, guys, with that being said, the Moose is loose. And guys, pick up a Tangem right now. One of my favorite wallets in the world. And we'll see you in the next one.